In this video, we will go over how to create a dynamic template selection using a case formula that will show you a list of templates depending on the account type. First, we'll go to Salesforce Setup, and then go to the Object Manager. Click on Account, go to Fields and Relationships, create a new formula field with a text option, give your formula field a name, and build a case. In this type, it would be account type, where we'll have prospect, brief, or home, which are the labels for our template groups. Go to Conga Templates in your app launcher, and notice here on the right-hand side where it has template groups, you can edit these and create whichever names you need. Again, these are referenced as prospect, brief, and home with prospect, brief, and home. In your Conga solution, go to Customize Parameters, enter the template group parameter name, and use your newly created account formula field. Add the parameter to solution record, and update the button. Now, depending on the account type, in this case, analyst, and we use our test button, the home type template group shows up. If we try a different account type, prospect, and use our test button, a different list of templates will show up.